Mustang training. Ayoka training. Bovier's a good girl. Look at Bovier. Mustang training. Hey Ayoka, good girl. Good girl, Yoka. Good girl, Yoka. Look at Yoka. I'm gonna have to go in. Go sit somewhere. This may not be quite as easy. Ayoka. Hey Ayoka. Ayoka is very spirited. Very spirited. Hey bug. I know he's looking at my legs. Ooh, Ayoka, good girl. Good girl, Ayoka. You got that saddle on her. Good girl, Ayoka. Bovier is curious. Ayoka's got a bigger belly than Bovier.
Yeah.
I think she eats more.
No doubt of that.
Yeah. Good girl, Yoka. Good girl, Ayoka.
She's got quite a bit bigger belly.
Yes, she does. She got a big round belly.
This out one.
Ayoka in training. Should be interesting. Hi, Bovier. Good girl, Yoka. Good girl, Ayoka. Good girl.
She's done good so far, but I haven't tried to tighten it up yet.
Yeah. I think I'd be ready to jump back.
That's when Bovier got mad.
Yeah. I think we may see a little kicking out of the Mustang girl. Good girl, Ayoka. Bovier. Come here, Bovier. You want that saddle back on, really? No, you don't.
No, it can still stand to be on that other buckle.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you tighten it up already?
I got it pretty snug. Not too tight, but pretty snug.
She's doing a lot better than I thought she would do.
She is.
Good girl, Ayoka.
So I just need to put some more holes in this thing.
I think the secret is keep the food coming with Ayoka. And the goats are over here. There's Tank. And the little one is hidden by the weeds. Pampers is in the weeds right there. Back to the big ladies. Here they are in training. Sorry, I got the cough going today. Hi, Bovie. Bovie's very curious or knows you've got more food. I'm not sure which. Probably both. Bovie. Hey, Ayoka, good girl. I'll stay, I'll stay. I'll stay. I'll stay, Ayoka. Good girl. I'll stay, Ayoka. Good girl. Bovie. It's like the dogs. They have to come. One has to come over and see what you're doing to the other one. Wow. Good girl, Ayoka. She did better with than Bovie did with that.
All right, you.
Come here, Bovie. Bovie. Come on, big girl. Well, you've got the food. She's not going to come to me. Bovie. Bovier. Careful with that one. Yeah. Hey, Bovie. 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 Here comes my Bovie. Here comes my lady. My lady love. Yes. There you go. Oh, there you go. It's a good girl. That's amazing. You even had a saddle on her. Good girl, Ayoka. Good girl, Ayoka. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good girl, Ayoka. I'll stay, I'll stay. Good girl.
It's a long ways from being over there.
Oh yeah, I know it is, with her especially. I'll stay, Ayoka. Good girl. That's amazing. Yeah, you haven't tried to bridle with them yet, have you? Nah.
So it's a long ways from being over there.
Especially with that one.
Then you got to teach them how to go where you want to with the bridle.
Good girl, Ayoka. Look at that. That's a pretty sight.
I'm surprised it went this easy, though.
10 minutes. It's been less than 10 minutes.
Of course, the next time it may not go this easy.
Yeah. With her, she's in a different mood every day, I've noticed. Good girl, Ayoka. Good girl. Apple treats.
Good stuff.
I think we should not run out. Got those at Walker's.
I bought some more at Atwood's.
Did you?
Yeah, there's a bag up. Sure.
How much did they cost at Atwood's?
Six
Oh, good. They were $10 at Walker's, of course. $10 at Walker's.
Oh, I think
Of course.
it was $6 or $7.
Is the bag comparable to that bin?
Yeah, probably. Probably.
Wow. Good job. Less than 10 minutes, honey. You're on her back.
I expected a fight, though.
Oh, I did too. I was kind of spooky. I was a little nervous about you doing it around that tree there.
Well, I had to have some way to hold her down that she gets spooked. Tries to run like she did earlier.
Yeah, but if she bucks, you might be trapped there.
Well, yeah, but that's good,
Good girl, Ayoka.
To work on these,
Look at you, good girl.
stirrups to get them to turn.
Oh, I see.
Just gonna sit here for a little bit.
Good.
Get used to it.
All right. Lesson over with Ayoka. He's going to sit there for a little bit.